ka na dumi-makeup on class.
Ay, mali.
Makeup artist.
Go!
May red kasi.
Kas, kaya mo gumanggaya ng makeup.
It depends.
Ayun po. Papa-makeup ako kay Kas.
Alex,
Ayun.
also need to ask for their permission before downloading app. Ayun pa yung wifi.
I use it for nose contour, I guess.
Yes.
Can I experiment on someone?
Panguna ko wala na yung ano.
Makeup artist Alex Era yan.
This stains my lips. I'm very looking for it.
Is this stained?
Yeah, it's stained.
Are you sure?
It's lip tint.
I don't
Okay,
use
makeup?
lipstick.
Is this lip tint?
Yeah.
I don't know, but
Tapos review tayo pagtapos mo maglagay ng makeup. Para makapag-focus.
supon. Kanina.
I just don't have foundation.
Parang meron ako.
Ay, wala pala akong foundation. Eh.
Makihiram ka kala... No. I don't.
It's okay. Emo. First time tayong masyadong nag-usap is nung nag-picnic tayo.
Di ba?
So, tanda mo ko.
Let's receive with me, please.
Yung lahat, hopefully. Hawakan ko na. Given naman na table, it's like fill in mo na lang yung ibang part.
Yeah, that's...
Makikipag-away muna ako sa'yo.
Ah, sure. Here.
Let's plan. We're all on one first, diba? Yeah. I love Jollibee, tapos yung sa may... Red flag, move